excited to provide a training on how to connect the OHD fit testing adapter to the 3M dual side connect quarter turn respirators. Here you have a 3M 6000 series half mask, a 3M 6000 series full face respirator, and then the FF400 series 3M full face respirator. All of these respirators, as you can see, have the dual connection, and all of them have the quarter turn style connection. This is the OHD Adapter Kit 15. These will simply quarter turn onto the respirator the exact same way a 3M filter would. One component to specifically call out is the integrated valve prop, which will extend into 3 different positions and pivot. So position 1, position 2, position 3, pivots. This will prop open the inhalation valve, successfully allowing the QuantiFit2 to evacuate the air out of the respirator and put it under a precise negative pressure. So you can see how that has propped open the valve on its own. Again, this is the OHD Kit 15.